This stream of NOAA Weather Radio KHB36 is made possible by a private citizen. All efforts are made to ensure this stream is available as much as possible. However, internet or power outages and system updates can occur that may cause the stream to be offline. Please ensure you have a backup plan to get important weather information in the event this stream is unavailable.
Alverton, Midland, Bristersburg, Morrisville, Lois, Somerville, Casanova, Goldbrine, Summerduck, Heflin, Avon, Elkwood. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for West Central and Arundel County in Central Maryland, Northeastern Prince George's County in Central Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bowie, College Park, Greenbelt, Beltsville, Bladensburg, FedEx Field, University of Maryland, Odenton, Laurel, Fairland, Landover, East Riverdale, Adelphi, New Carrollton, Mitchellville, Lake Arbor, Fort Meade, Riverdale Park, Cheverly, Hallandale. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Southeastern District of Columbia, Southwestern and Arundel County in Central Maryland, Central Prince George's County in Central Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain, rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams as well as some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bowie, Postville, Largo, Fort National Park, Andrews Air Force Base, Camp Springs, Kettering, Walker Mill, Mitchellville, Lake Arbor, Temple Hills, Marlow Heights, Sea Pleasant, Village, Heights Town. Don't drown when flooding. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately. A special marine warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles southeast of Fort Washington to Post Creek to 10 nautical miles southwest of Fairview Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: observed wind. Impact: boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Swan Point, Mathis Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Post Creek, Brent Point, Westmoreland State Park and Colonial Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flood watch in effect until 9 p.m. this evening is possible. The areas that include portions of Maryland, Northwest Virginia, including the areas in Maryland, Central and Eastern Allegheny, extreme Western Allegheny, Frederick, Maryland, Garrett, and Washington. In Northwest Virginia, Clark and Frederick, Virginia. In West Virginia, Berkeley, Eastern Grant, Eastern Mineral, Hampshire, Hardy, Jefferson, and Western. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 9 p.m. this evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: showers and numerous thunderstorms are expected this afternoon into this evening. Rainfall amounts will average around 1 to 1.5 inches across the area, but locally higher amounts of 2 to 4 inches are likely, and much of that may fall in the 1 to 2 hour time frame. Heavy rain may cause creeks and streams to rapidly rise out of their banks, along with potential flash flooding in urban areas. http://www.weather. Flash flood issues. The flash weather. Flash flooding caused by rainfall continues to include portions of Virginia, East Virginia, including areas in Virginia, Central Virginia, Blue Ridge, Eastern Virginia, Warren, and Eastern Pendleton and Western Pendleton. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 9 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details, showers, and numerous thunderstorms are expected this afternoon into this evening. Rainfall amounts will average around 1 to 1.5 inches across the area, but locally higher amounts of 2 to 4 inches. Are likely, and much of that may fall in the 1 to 2 hour time frame. Heavy rain in short periods of time may cause creeks and streams to rapidly rise out of their banks, along with potential flash flooding in urban areas. http://www.weather. Governor/safety flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action if flash warnings be issued. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flood watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. this evening. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. It's affected in of these areas, including the following areas: in D.C., Calvert, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Northwest Howard, Northwest Prince and Baltimore areas. And Alexandria, Colorado, Fairfax, Green, King, Madison, the Northern Fauquier, Orange, Prince William, Manassas Park, Western, the hazard of 11 p.m. Excessive numbers, extremes, low flooding, showers, and this afternoon to this evening. Rainfall amounts will average around the area, but locally on the 2 to 4 and much of the fall in the 2 hour time frame. Heavy and short periods of time may cause creeks and rapidly rise to thunderstorm warning in St. Mary's, Central Charles, and King George counties. At 6 p.m., the thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of near King George, with 10 miles from. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors as well as damage home vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized powers are possible. And secure the light object and put out. Locations include Waldorf, Lada, King George, Delaware Creek, Pope, St. Clements Bay, Wicomico River, Wicomico River, St. Charles, Wicomico, Mechanics, one issue. For your protection, move room on the building. Flood remains in effect 11 p.m. this evening. Flash flooding caused areas portions of the energy, including the following areas: D.C., Maryland, Southeast Howard, Montgomery, Charles, Northwest Howard, West Montgomery, Prince George's, Southern St. Virginia, Alexandria, East Fairfax, George, Madison, Nelson, Orange, William, Manassas Park, Red Deer, Southern London. As weather conditions are expected until 11 evening. Impacts: except neighborhood flood, creeks, and other low and thunderstorms are afternoon into this evening. Rains will average around 5 area, but local amount of 2 to 4 inches are likely, and much of them may fall in 1 to 2 hour time frame. May cause creeks to rapidly rising, along with potential flash flooding. AT/www.weather. Governor/safe flood. You should monitor and be prepared to flood be issued. Flash flooding until 7:30 p.m. This in Arlington, Eastern Fairfield, area. At 2 p.m., the radar indicated thunderstorms with heavy rain in the area. 5.5 inches of rain fall. 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is again has life-threatening flooding. Using flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, street passes. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Huntington, Lincoln, Lake Barcroft, Jefferson Manor, Barcroft, Bailey's Cross, or turnaround, encountering flood roads. Most in a quick and pre-threatening situation. Where locality, northwestern Princess County. 7 p.m. water rescue and 2 inches fallen. Additional 1.5 inches are pollen or flash flood warning p.m. for Fairfax County and Fairfax and northwestern city of Falls. 10 p.m. Doppler rate thunderstorm in this area. Additional rainfall up to 0.5 inches possible in the summer begins shortly. Radar packed flash flooding of small creeks and areas, high passes as well as other and low areas. Will experience flooding include Centerville, Residential, Hills, McLean, Burke, Thunder, Wolf Trap, Gulf, Mary 66, and the main download drowning nodes. Most deaths are critical. Base flooding can quickly be a life-threatening situation. The basement level move to floor immediately. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. this evening for Prince William. At 6:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the area. Between 3 inches of rainfall amounts to 0.5 inches of or area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dale City, Independent Hill, Turnaround, Don't Drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly in a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement where residents below street level, move to a higher floor immediately. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. this evening for northwestern Prince George's County. At 5:47 p.m., emergency